Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 3.4 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down and tap on security option. As you can see in the device security section, we've got fingerprint, so let's tap on it. And actually this is the very first step of adding our fingerprint to this device. I know that it doesn't look like it, but it is. Here we have to choose an additional screen lock. We can choose the pattern pin or password, and it is very important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with this backup screen lock method. And it's very important because if you won't be able to do that, then you will have to go through whole hard reset operation, and I hope that you know it, that it will totally wipe all the data, all your personal data also, and it is irreversible. So just be sure that you will remember this screen lock and pick the one you like the most. I will pick the pattern. So let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Now we can decide what kind of notifications we would like to show on the lock screen. So we can show all the notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. And of course, it's your decision which option you'd like to apply. All you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to set and make sure that it is marked. After that, tap on done, and here we've got the info that we will be able to use our fingerprint to unlock this phone and approve purchases. So simply tap on next, and now we have to touch the sensor which is located on the back of our device. Let me show it to you, it's right here. So right now I will put my finger on it. Let me do it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully, and try to catch every corner, every edge for better recognition, obviously. Okay. And as you can see, we just added our fingerprint. What's more, we can add another. Right here we can rename it, or just tap on done. I will pick done. And here we've got the fingerprint options. Actually, all we have to do is to check the fingerprint. So after tapping on it, we can rename it. So let me do it. Actually, it is a very cool option if you've got a lot of fingerprints added, so you will be able to recognize them. What's more, we can remove it just by tapping on the trash bin icon, but firstly, let me check if it will work. So let's lock our device, and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, as I said, you will be able to use your backup screen lock method. Just swipe, and here we can enter the pattern we just set. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Nokia 3.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.